Hello everyone. Today's topic of discussion is digital twins. First of all, let us know what is a digital twin. A digital twin is like having a virtual copy or a digital double of a real world thing. This could be anything from a machine, a car, or even a whole city. The key is that this digital version acts just like the real one, using information from sensors and other devices to mimic its behavior. Now imagine you have a toy robot. You also have a digital twin of that robot on your tablet. When you move the toy, the digital version moves exactly the same way. That's what digital twins do for real things. They copy how they work in the digital world. Now, what are the benefits of digital twins? First of all, digital twins helps in making better decisions. They can show things that we wouldn't be able to see otherwise, like how the product might break down in different situations or how the process could be made more efficient. Secondly, digital twins can help to avoid problems. They can show potential problems before they actually happen, so they can be fixed before they cause any trouble. Thirdly, digital twins can help us work more efficiently. They can show us how to work more with less time, so they can save time and money. Lastly, a digital twin enables real time monitoring, providing a comprehensive understanding of the performance of the system or object it represents. For example, digital twins can play an important role in monitoring the functionality of diverse systems, whether it's a wind turbine generating power or the complex working of the human heart. Let me give you some real life examples. In healthcare, for example, hospitals can create a digital twin of a person to understand their health better. It's like having a virtual model of your body to see what might happen and how to keep you healthy. Secondly, in manufacturing, think about making a toy car. Before actually making it, you can create a digital twin to see if it will work well or not. It helps avoid mistakes and makes the real thing better. And third example can be of city planning. When planning a city, you can make a digital twin to see how things like traffic or emergencies might affect it. It's like testing ideas before actually building stuff. But, and there's always a but, making and using digital twins can be a bit tricky. It needs good, accurate information to work well. There are certain challenges associated with digital twins. For example, it can be really costly. Building a real world digital twin can be very expensive. Imagine when you want to build a really cool treehouse. Now, getting all the tools and woods will definitely cost you much higher. It can be very expensive. Second such challenge is data trouble. Digital twins need good information to work well. Digital twins rely on a continuous stream of data to maintain their accuracy and usefulness. Gathering, processing, managing this vast amount of data can be very complex and expensive. Third such challenge is privacy. Digital twins can often contain sensitive information about physical assets, processes, or systems. This raises concerns about privacy, confidentiality, and the potential for unauthorized access. So, overall, digital twins are like having a high-tech twin for real things. They help us understand, plan, and make things better in the real world by first trying them out in the digital world. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.